Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked to avoid distractions. Next, activate Bluetooth on your mobile device and make it discoverable. Then, navigate to the audio system settings menu in your Outlander Sport. This initial setup takes just a few moments, preparing your car for seamless wireless connectivity. It's a straightforward process that enhances your driving experience significantly. Once in the audio system settings, select the Bluetooth option. You'll then see an option to add device or pair device on your Outlander Sport's display. Choose this to begin the pairing sequence. Your car will now search for available devices. Look for your phone's specific name on the vehicle's screen and select it to initiate the connection. This step is crucial for establishing the link between your phone and car. After selecting your phone, a pairing code will appear on both your phone and the car's display. Verify that these codes match exactly. Then, accept the connection prompt that appears on your mobile device. Within a few seconds, your phone should indicate that it is successfully connected to the Outlander Sport. You are now ready to enjoy hands-free calls and stream your favorite audio content wirelessly. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the car's audio system often resolves minor glitches. It's also a good practice to delete any old, unused Bluetooth connections from your car's memory to prevent conflicts. For specific model details or advanced features, always consult your Outlander Sports owner's manual. Enjoy the convenience of a connected drive with these easy steps.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.